if the president's position is so wholly defective and untethered from the facts.
But again, you
The
think
court
you're
has
talking
to
about the
hold the
president.
president to the determination that the president is called upon under the statute to make. And I think what the president has said about his reasons are relevant, and I think the court thought so as well. But that's obviously a point. You and I will be writing about that point of disagreement
I
between.
don't know the answer to this. I mean, again, I'm trying to figure it
Right,
out. I mean, so your view, but I keep trying. This is the last time I'll try.
right, sure.
There are facts before the court that,
Hmm.
let's say, clearly say that the statute is triggered. And let's say they barely crossed the line, but the statute is triggered because there's an adequate level of violence and unrest and burden on law enforcement. And they barely crossed the legal line. But the president is out here saying there's war in Portland, Portland is burning, saying all sorts of false, misleading, and ridiculous things. So what is the legal answer? The facts on the ground before the case in the case are just above a line suggesting that the president has the authority, and those facts are presented to the court and vetted by the court, and they satisfy the statute. But the president is ranting in a way that's detached from reality about this. Do you think that the court should say, sorry, the legal standard isn't met because of the president's rantings?
I don't think you disagree. The court is not in a position to make an independent determination of the facts on the ground. It has to actually assess the facts or the competing factual positions presented by the state and by the federal government. And in doing so, I think that it needs to look at how those facts are presented on both sides, the credibility with which the facts are presented on both sides. And I think the president ranting in a close case ought to be held against the government. I think the constitutional stakes here are extraordinarily
I
high.
agree.